Yes, nasa double deck ako. Yes, that is a clip fan. And yes, ang board nito sa taas ay karton. Yes. Pero I'm here to talk to you about me hating my phone. I am 23 years old at nagsisimula na akong i-hate ang aking phone kasi if I'm not mistaken, ang aking screen time is 14 hours a day. What do you mean? Halos kalahati ng araw ko I am on my phone. Medyo understandable rin naman kasi like I am a social media content creator. Ang work ko ay nasa social media, nasa Instagram, nasa TikTok. Tapos, yung nagtuturo rin ako ng classes, nagsumasayo rin ako. I need to market myself. Gets naman yan. Pero, hmm, are you also starting to hate your phone? Kasi I am starting to hate my phone. Why? Kasi na-realize ko na sobrang daming pwedeng gawin sa mga oras na yon. Tapos, hindi lang siya sa pag-accumulate eh. Hindi lang yung pag nag-accumulate siya sa buhay mo. Pero, pati na rin sa araw-araw. You only have 24 hours in a day. Katulad nga nalaman ko, recently ko lang nalaman, we have the same number of hours in a day as Beyonce. Recently ko lang nalaman. Anyway, joke lang. Hindi. I mean, nakita ko lang yan. You have the same hours of in a day as Beyonce. Something ganyan. And you dedicate like 14 hours. 14 hours a day on your phone. O bakit ako frustrated? Kasi, pwede ako pwede ako, one, I could, saan ba akong sisimula? One, I am frying my brain. My attention span is fried. Kahit na hindi ko aminin, o kahit na wala akong masabi na, boom, I just know, kahit subconsciously, alam ko na my brain is fried. And sira ang attention span ko. At mahirap makapag-focus para sa akin. Or maybe I have undiagnosed ADHD. Or baka ito rin lang yun. Iniisip natin na we all have ADHD when in fact, sira lang talaga ang ating mga attention span at naprito na ang ating mga brains sa ating phone. Ito yung recently inisip ko. Totoo nga, it is that damn phone. Tama nga sila, kaka-cellphone mo yan. Kaka-computer mo yan. And at the ripe age of 23, wow, I'm starting to hate it. I am starting to hate it recently. I mean, like 2 days ago. I mean, 2 days ago, I am deliberately, inisip ko, like consciously, tinatry ko hindi mag-cellphone. I try to be, italikod natin siya. I try to be deliberate and conscious of my time and using my phone. Like 2 days ago, I started not putting music on. Pero kailangan ko pang debatiin yan. Kailangan ko pang pag-isipan yan. Kasi is it the same thing as like, you know, sobrang rambling nitong video na to. Which is, walang direction to video na to. I have 2 things, paalala nyo sa akin. Mindlessly scrolling and creating. Tama ba? Sige. Number 1. We are fucking up our brains. I mean, I am fucking up my brain because of that. Dahil sa saan ba ako magsisimula? Sa konsumo muna. Matagal ko nang nakita yung naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na parang, may nakita ko online. Sabi niya parang creation, the joy in the creation, not the validation. Sobrang nice. Sobrang nice at gusto ko i-embody yun at gusto kong itatak yun sa utak ko sa araw-araw at sa lahat ng ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Pero, puro ako validation. Napapansin ko sa sarili ko, what do I do? Kapag nagsa-cellphone ako, I check the comments. Pag napapost ako ng editing, I check the comments. Gano'n na karami views itong video na to? Yeah? And ayoko noon. Noon, I would say na nung pandemic time, nung before ako mag 20 or like 18 or 20 or 19, 21, sobrang wala akong paki talaga dyan. As in, I just created, doon nabuo si Sampayan Talks. Imagine, Gab, itatak mo to sa utak mo. Nangyari si Sampayan Talks because of your boredom, and now you can't even be bored. Like truly be bored. You can't be bored. Kasi kapag mayroong hindi naman inconvenience, every time na may downtime, you put music on. Ang gagawin mo, mag-play ka ng music, ng YouTube video, or like mag-scroll ka sa TikTok, or yung mga sinesave mo, na if in-favorite mo, or like sinesave mo, na video sa TikTok, papanoorin mo, nung mindless scroll mo the night before. Isinisave mo para panoorin the next day. What is this? And you can't be bored. You are never bored. Kasi you don't know how to be bored na. At Gab, listen to this. Para kay Gab to. Listen to this. Nabuo si Sampayan Talks because you are bored. Because you are living life. Huh? Huh? And you're experiencing things. And you're learning stuff. And you're curious. I mean, curious pa rin naman ako. Pero, saan na napunta yun? You become curious, and you don't do anything about it. You don't create something out of it. Pero Gab, akala ko you're a creator. You want the creation, not the validation. Diba? I want to see you create more, Gab. I want to see you create more. Ginagawa ko recently, I think itong clarity na to, something is just about September. Yung start talaga na September, alam niyo na yan, the September lock-in and stuff. Ayan, narinig niyo rin siguro yan. Pero nang start yung September ko, with me just walking, nagsimula siyang maglakad, mom. Like before, I was like doing the gym. And tapos biglang recently, naisip ko lang na parang nag-consume ako ng content. Yes, brisk walking. Okay, sige. Then jogging, then running. Okay. Brisk walking. Sige, I brisk walk itong start ng month, September 2025, walking. Nag-brisk walk ako around the neighborhood. And inulit siya ng inulit. And naisip ko, una, mas gusto ko yun. Kasi I think, katulad na pag-gym, gusto ko mag-gym. Oo, pero hindi siya sustainable for me. So walking for an hour is more sustainable. And I have more time with myself. Hindi ako masyadong nagsuscroll. Nagre-record ako ng anything for myself. Nag-record ako ng video for myself and then pinupost ko sa TikTok. And I am creating during sa downtime na yun. Kasi hindi lang ako konsumo ng konsumo. I mean, nagko-consume pa rin naman ako na pa. I had that time to what? To listen to new albums, to listen to long-form content. Sobrang nice. Kasi sobrang nice. Walking and just being active and being away from my phone just does something to my brain. And I love that. Nag-start siya doon. And now we're here. We're like, ngayon? September what ngayon? 13? 14? We're 14 days into September. 13 kasi alas 2 na ngayon. Yeah. Kaka-alas 2 pa lang. We're 13 days into September and ang gandang start nun. And gusto ko lang, that led me to this right now. Parang ayoko na sa phone ko. I want to be mindful with me. I want to be more mindful with me using this. This one. I like where we are now. Recently, hindi na ako nagme-music sa phone habang nagda-drive. Kasi may speaker ako, kinakabit ko speaker ko. Tapos nagli-listen ako to music. I think that's a different topic naman. I think like listening to music and stuff. Pero like, ang tinutukoy ko is mindlessly scrolling at night. Mindlessly scrolling sa pagising sa umaga, the first thing to do is mindlessly scroll. No. Tapos ang araw mo kagad. 2 hours pagkagising. 2 hours when I could have been walking around the neighborhood and free my mind of things and put me in a better mood or go to the gym. Ayun, isa pa like tangent. I think nag-stop rin ako mag-gym kasi parang nag-start ako with very simple exercises and a very simple program and then it got to like I got really deep into it like really quick. Naging komplikado masyado yung gusto kong gawin. Sobrang dami kong criteria. Sobrang daming gustong gawin sa isang araw. Sobrang daming ingredients. So, parang tinamad na ako na umaabot na yung isang session ko like 2 hours in the gym. And that is not sustainable. What is sustainable, Gab? This is sustainable, Gab. In terms of like creating and creating more than you consume, this is it. Parang you struck gold with it before. You know? Before. Like, sinimulan ko rin to before eh. Noon nasa Rizal pa ako eh. Yung magtetel lang ako ng story, no cuts, no edits. Pure yap. And I don't care. I don't care if no one sees this. Wala akong paki kung hindi nila makita. And then kanina rin lang may nakita akong like videos about like every artist should be on YouTube right now. Basta anyway, basta sobrang enlightening lang ng mga napakinggan ko kanina ng mga long form content. Na parang just create. You will never be good at anything if iisip-isipin mo rin lang siya, if plaplanuhin mo rin lang siya, wala tayong mararating kung iisipin lang natin siya. Ang iniisip ko lagi is I want to be consistent sa YouTube kasi it's hard to be discovered here. Yun ang laging nagpapa sa akin. Every time I post, parang, wala naman manonood eh. Pero nasan yung creating than the validating stuff? Joy in creation rather than the validation stuff. Nasan yun? When you can't be consistent here. I know, baka after nito, like, tamarin ulit ako. Like, I know that is possible. Pero I'm in a better mindset right now about this. Sana lang, kakayanin na ito. Tatry natin maging consistent dito. Kasi I hate this. I'm starting to hate this. Like, legit. Kasi sobrang daming oras ang nasasayang when I could have been creating. And I love creating. Kung nag-lock in lang talaga ako like way back, I've been making films. Nandito na siguro I've been making like films. Like, not like narrative films kasi I don't know, hindi rin natin alam. Pero yung mga simpleng iniisip ko lang na parang fun videos to make. I could have been doing that. See, sobrang frustrated ko. Kasi I love doing this. Pero sobrang dali rin lang nito. Pero hindi ko magawa because of my damn phone. It is that damn phone. It is kasi cellphone mo nga talaga yan. Tama si nanay. Kasi cellphone mo yan. Recently, yun ang ginagawa ko. Pag nagdadrive ako, okay, pagising, check lang ng anything na important. Actually, magsastart na nga rin ako magtanggal ulit ng notification bubbles eh. Pero like, keep on lang yung mga important stuff. Kasi syempre, work comes sa Viber, work comes sa Gmail, work comes sa message request sa IG or sa Messenger. And hindi ako makapag-work if walang mag-reach out sa akin ng ganun. At hindi ko ma-check yun. Pero I make it a habit to be mindful when I check it. You know? So, una, check. Okay? Kung wala, lay it down. Boom. Do your thing. Maligo, maglaba, mag-prepare, mag-pack ng pang-costume, pang-training the next day, ganyan, kumain, magluto ng sariling pagkain. Yun rin na na-enjoy ko. Ever since I've been doing this, at naglalakad, ilang araw na ako streak. Like 3 days, 4 days na nagluluto ng sarili kong food. I don't care kung ano yan. Na-start ako na parang, wow, pag uwi ko, galing training, pagod pa ako nito, galing pa akong training ito Pero it does something to my brain. Walking and just being more active and listening and creating, it does something to your brain. Pag uwi ko, sobrang pagod. One time, galing akong training ng 5 to 9 p.m. May klase umaga. May training pa na 5 to 9. Pag uwi ko, naglakad pa ako for an hour. Where did I get that from? Saan ko nakuha yung energy na yun? What else? Galing training, same thing. Klase, training. Pag uwi, may enerhiya pa. Maglinis ng mukha. Aminin. Minsan sa sobrang pagod sa buhay, hindi na nakapag-toothbrush, hindi na nakakain na matino, hindi na nakakapaglinis ng mukha. nakapag-skincare, nakapag-nighttime routine. Mind you, training, boom, pag uwi, nakapag-slice pa ng spam. At nakapag-prito pa. Ano, ang dami pang ginawa. Nakapag-boil pa ng noodles. At nakagawa pa ng instant, like, carbonara yun lang sa packet lang. Nakapag-prito pa ng spam. Sobrang nice. At I'm on a streak. Sobrang nice. I need to go back rin sa ano. Medyo napapagod lang recently sa training kasi parang crunch time na. Malapit na kasi yung performance. Pero, just that, it just does something to your brain. Being away from this, it does something to your brain. At gusto ko ituloy ito. Gusto ko pagpatuloy ito. Babalitaan ko kayo what happens. I don't know. Baka mag-consistent ako with posting. Baka mas magaganda pa mga piyesa at mga sayaw ang magawa ko. Baka ma-continue ko to at maging consistent ako here at makita kita weekly or like anytime na I have something and just export, bam, no edits, post. Kasi confident ako kaya ko ito Kaya ko magdala ng mga ganitong videos nandire-diretso lang na parang podcast type. And effective rin yun kasi tamad ako mag-edit. You know? So, win-win. Babalitaan ko kayo what happens with this. Okay? Tandaan nyo tong araw na to. Sana hindi ko kainin lahat ng words ko here. I hope this video doesn't age like milk. I'm trying to do something with my brain. I'm trying to do better things to it. I'm trying to deprogram. I'm taking small steps to reprogram this brain, you know? Kasi it is that phone. It is that damn phone. It is that phone. Kasi cellphone mo yan. If you resonate, like and subscribe. Well, kung maka-resonate ka, what are you gonna do about it? Kasi I'm gonna do something about it. Sana nga lang maging consistent ako. Ikaw na ang accountability partner ko, okay? Babalitaan kita. Good night.